Dear Diary, here we go. Okay, so today, when I was at the school, I made a new friend. His name is Tommy, and he is the bestest friend, and I forgot to tell you, Tommy is a nickel. My doggy died today, and I'm really sad about that. So sad I filled up a cup with my tears. Something good that did happen today, though, when I was by the barber shop, I seen this, my love of my life. She was so beautiful, so pretty, and I tried to ask her name, but she slapped me in the face, but she did tell me, she said that her name was Kawikiwa, so yeah, and some other stuff did happen today, some really good stuff, like my mom made me a tuna casserole, that was really good. Oh, time to flip the page. Yeah, tuna casserole was really good, and tastes like dog crap. Don't ask me how I taste dog crap, cause yeah, you don't want to know. It was really good though. And another thing that happened today, my dad won $1 million check, but he didn't share it with me, so that was kind of sad. Well, that's it for now. See you later.